Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Plug in the charger and verify the power indicator. A flaky battery masks other faults. Once powered, force a restart. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts off, because a hung process often clears on reboot. Make sure to note any recent Mac OS updates, newly installed apps, or attached peripherals. These are likely culprits. This prepares you to isolate software versus hardware causes as you proceed to targeted recovery steps. Once done with the restart, boot into safe mode by holding Shift to disable third-party extensions and clear caches. This reveals if system extensions or login items block boot. If issues persist, reboot into recovery mode with Command+R to run disk utility. Repair the startup disk and check for file system errors. Then, if needed, reinstall Mac OS without erasing your data. If you suspect hardware, make sure to run Apple Diagnostics by holding D. It will return error codes. If software routes fail, reset the SMC and NVRAM to clear power and boot parameter glitches. These steps often fix fans, display, and startup stalls. Make sure to back up via Time Machine or external drive before a clean reinstall. Erase and perform a clean install only when you have backups. Finally, if the Mac still hangs, record any error codes from diagnostics and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider. This helps technicians avoid repeated troubleshooting and speeds repairs. One key troubleshooting tip: swap in a different known good charger or accessory first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.